question carefully. I just repeat. What are the key takes away from the Subhas Atul case and how can they inform our understanding of section 498A?
Is this related to my speech? Yes or no?
Yes?
I didn't say about this. And if you have any question which is related to my speech, then I can answer you. Otherwise, sorry.
I said this is you talking about Atul Subhas case,
Yes.
suicide case. Then this question from related to. I said I think 2 times repeat my question. You do not carefully listen to my question. So please, why?
What are the main key points of the Lord Subhas case?
The main key point of the Subhas case is that first, he was forced mentally to commit a suicide even he was completely innocent. Thank you so much.
How can we prevent? How can we prevent? How can we prevent from this case and how can we learn about this case?
Our Indian government section must be clear about it and they must need to listen about the man that he was real culprit or not. Thank you so much.
नेक्स्ट हाउस जिसको पूछना है किसी का कोई जरूरी नहीं कि मेरी हाउस पूछे, तीनों हाउस में से कोई भी पूछ सकता है क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? पूछिए। अगर है आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए तो पूछ सकते हैं।
I did not understand why these rules are only for men. Why these rules are only for men?
I can't understand your question. Please repeat again.
I did not understand why men should get these rules.
What the mean?
I told that I said that I did not understand why these rules for men get.
First of all, I want to inform you.
Trevor House, time over.
फोटो हो जाएगा उसके बाद चले जाना, ठीक है? एक तरफ हो जाओ, अभी एक तरफ हो जाओ, फोटो ले लो उसके बाद चले जाना, अभी एक तरफ हो जाओ, एक तरफ हो जाओ, चलो एक तरफ हो जाओ, फोटो हो जाए, बनाया, एक तरफ हो जाओ, फोटो हो जाएगा,
अशोक हाउस,
एक तरफ हो जाओ,
स्टार्ट करिए।
To the respected judges, teachers, and my dear friends, I am Anu Singh and
I am Vijay Yadav.
we are the participate in English debate and we are the representing Ashoka House. Today we are talking about 498 section of Indian Penal Code Atul Subhas suicide case. This law was indicated to protect women from dowry harassment, but it has deviated from its original purpose. The misuse of Section 498A has become rampant, with many women filing false complaints against their husband and in-laws. This law allows for the arrest to the husband and his family members without proper investigation, violating their fundamental rights. Studies have shown that approximately 70% of complaints filed under Section 498A are false. This is a striking number that it highlights the need for reform. We must recognize that Section 490A has become a tool for harassment and blackmail rather than a means of protecting women. It is our responsibility responsibility to ensure that this law is amended to prevent its misuse and protect the rights of all individuals involved. In conclusion, I ask you to consider the need of reforming Section 498A. We must work toward creating a fair and just society where laws are used to protect and serve rather than harass and exploit. Thank you. Now you ask question.
The speech which is represented you around us has completely so that you are against the section 498 of IPC. Is I am right?
Yes, yes.
So tell me the three witnesses about the section 498A of IPC.
First, investigation of truth it's not completely because police are not investigated truth to completely. And second, investigation of complaints. Complaints should be investigated and it should be ensured that they are based on truth. And third, protection of innocent people. Police are not completely protect to innocent people. And fourth, social awareness is most important because every people does not knows about these rules, and all 70% women are completely wrong complaint to against.
But what do you think about the 30% of the innocent boys? Sorry ma'am.
I just not said about 100% because some percent are exceptional. Just in this time, in this current time, all 70% people do a very very wrong than time. So it's sometimes give me sometimes to discuss my partner, please.
Okay, sure.
Can you repeat your question?
I said that what do you think about the 30% of the men who are completely innocent? Your partner say only 70%. But what do you think about the 30%?
More than 70% women are use this law against the innocent men. So we can say that these rules are perfectly wrong. Then cannot give justice for women properly. So we cannot support 100% correctly.
If you want any change in this section,
And repeat your question.
if you want any type of change in this section, that is
Yes. Bilkul. First, strict verification. Second, protection of accused. Third, punishment of a false compliment. Fourth, amendment of law. Fifth, awareness and education. Sixth, review of cases. Thank you.
but our government has never punished the women. What do you think about it?
If you think they are not punished, then we change the rule about the, and we can say the government. Hello. You are in the
What do you mean by anti-safety bill from 498 IPC?
I want to help. Hello. Can you repeat your question?
Yes, I repeat my question. What do you mean by anti-safety bill from 498 IPC?
Yes, I know about your question. I answered this previous group.
No, my question is not related to your answer previous.
Please listen carefully. I give this answer properly.
Hello. In the case of Atul Subhash, why they used to suicide? They also can use their public right.
they are prepared by mentally. The women are used these articles for the harassment properly.
No, this is not my answer. This question. Please.
Sorry, this is not answer to my question.
Can you ask loudly your question?
It seems like you are not listening question my carefully.
Can you ask some question? Hello. Now ask your question.
Time over. Ashok House, time over.